Hello, my name is Uriel Alonso Carolias, former English poet as Manuel Mondragon, who invented the Sol Calle Mondragon rifle. In turn, was the father of Carlos Mondragon, born in 1859 in Zacahuaca, a state of Mexico. In his adolescence, he entered the military college of Chapultepec, where he specialized in artillery. Once he finished his studies, he modified the 75 cannon and perforating rifle, were French, which gathered him a prestige among the perforistas. And in 1904, he wrote a manual employed preparing and firing the shot. In 1910, the word a manual on the description of rapid from the 75mm gun. In 1997, 3 years before, he was appointed director of the artillery department, where he formed the draft of the organized law of the army where compulsory military service. In 1910, as the professor at the military college, he wrote a book entitled Coastal Defense. Thanks to him, the group, the ports and Salina Cruz in Pacific Ocean and the port of Mexico, Coatzacoalcos in the Gulf were open. In 2007, a patented the Mondragon sand-lagging rifle club for 16 rounds 4 minutes in its semi-automatic mode. This rifle has used in several wars, which are the Mexican Revolution, World War I, World War II, in Vietnam War, in the Spanish Civil War, Chilean Civil War, in the Peruvian-Ecuadorian War, among others. Mondragon installed the club not produced the rifle in Mexico since were not enough factories to make a new type of rifles went to present its patent to factory in the United States. That refused because he considered the semi-automatic weapon was not it. He was going to the very good at work to help officers and to scratching the industry's scalp, which accepted and started producing and propulsing the Mexican army. Some countries they fought were Mexico, China, Chile, Peru, German, Imperial Alemán, Vietnam, Spanish Republic, South Korea, Brazil. Mondragon became Mexico's Secretary of War and Navy, of the position did not last long, due to accusation and rumors of politicians were won the war terrorist court. Some time later, he was actually Victor Huerta, and now is attending the war ceremonies of the amendment. You were going to turn him actually to Spain, and has where the hero of Frances granted him the Legion of Honor. In latter day in San Sebastian in 1920, we Herbert Bank of the Turn of Mexico.